I'm in Saudi Arabia, sir.
Oh, now you're in Saudi Arabia. So how was the trip of Assam?
Nice. My
Nice, right?
yeah.
So that was some refreshing period, right?
Yes, sir.
So your mind was fed up with all these studying, and then for refreshment, for yeah, clear out your mind.
Mm.
So it's good. Okay, so in yesterday's class, we started probability, right? So we talked about uh, we talked about two problems. One was the dice problem, and the other was this card problem. Okay, so let me quickly. Shoaib is not coming, and I don't know what is happening with Talha. Talha is also not good. Yeah, so what I will do is that I will again, yeah, Shaima and Hashid, you guys please bear with me for 5 minutes so that
Sure, sir. No problem.
yeah, I just give a quick recap to what we studied in the previous class to Rizwan. Okay, Rizwan. So we studied two problems. One was throwing the dice two times or tossing it or rolling it simultaneously. Right, both are the same actually. So for these cases, the outcome is this is how we calculate the outcome. So let's say we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 6 columns and then 6 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the rows. Okay, and then we just explore the possibilities. So this is what 1, 1. Then we have 1, 2. Then 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. So these are the outcomes that we have. Okay. So you guys practice this so that you guys can understand. And the rest one. So last one would be 6, 6. So this is 3, 3. This is 4, 4. This is 5, 5, and then this is 6, 6. So and these ones. So these are the outcomes for the dice
So
throwing.
the 6 must be down.
Ah, yes, yes. Yeah. So we have this 6, 6. Right.
Mm.
So these are the possibilities, and we have total 6 into 6, which is 36 possibilities. Okay. So this was for the case of die. And then we had this card problem, right? So we have a deck of cards, and in one deck we have 52 cards, right? So in 52 cards, we have two divisions. One is uh, one is red, and then the other one is black. Sorry that I'm writing it this. So in this board, this is not looking nice, but okay, is
No
one.
problem.
So if I have 52 cards and I divide it in half, so how many would be red cards?
52
Yeah,
divided into half.
yeah.
Mm.
So 52 by 2, right? So that is
Yeah,
26.
52 by
So and then
26. Yes, sir.
26. Okay.
Mm.
So now we have further division. Then we have uh, then it is divided into. So one is called a diamond, right? This is a diamond. Let me write it. This is a diamond, and then we have a hearts, right? So this is okay. So if you divide 26 into two parts, how many you will get? Yes, it is one. 26 in two
13.
parts. 30. Good. So we have 13 diamonds and 13 hearts. Similarly, we have we have two black cards. Okay, two divisions. So one is called the spades, right? And which is who is the joint? Amar. So Amar was present in the yesterday's class. So yes, uh, yeah. So this is how the spade is. This is a spade, and then we have the last one, which is then we have last one, which is clubs, right?
Mm.
So this one is something like okay. So again, this is how much? This is 30, and this is also so 13, 13, 13, 13, 52 cards, right? Now each 13 set of cards are again divided in so each set. So in each set of 13 cards, we have numbers. Okay, numbers are going from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from 2 to 10, which is how much? 9 cards, right? And then we have an ace, right? And then we have three face cards. So then we have jack, then we have queen, and then we have king. So these are three face cards. Okay. So these are the distribution of the cards. Okay. This one clear to you?
Say, wait. Say,
Yes.
say ace is 4, right?
Ace is one. Ace is four, maybe.
I thought they are like four face
No, no,
cards.
no, no. So
Oh,
have you watched the cards?
and
No, you haven't. Okay, so
mm,
ace doesn't have any faces. So in ace, you will see, let's say, the diamond of ace would be like this. This would be in the middle, and then this one, and then this one, and something like this is the ace of diamond. And ace of, let's say, club would be like this. Okay, my drawing is very bad, so something like so
is
you don't have any face in the ace, right?
mm,
So that is why, uh, yeah. So that is why you have only three. Okay, buy some card and okay. So
Okay.
we used to play some cards and
I
right.
play Uno cards.
Uno, yeah, Uno. So Uno is the derivation of these cards, right?
Yes.
Until and unless you are not betting, so up to that point it is good. If you are not betting,
Yes.
then it is good. Then you can play cards, right?
Yeah.
So we used to play for a longer time. So 3 and 4 hours we used to play these cards.
Damn.
Yeah. So yeah, something just like Uno, right? So we friends hang out sometimes and then we play Uno for a very longer period of time.
Mm.
Okay. Yeah, so understood the
Yes, sir.
card problem.
Mm.
Okay, so sorry, Hashid, Shaima, we just came back and revised what we did. Yeah, so okay, what we were doing, guys. And yeah, so we were at the 12th question. So whose turn was this? 12th question. Who was doing this problem? Anyone remember? If no one remembers, then let us start from the beginning. Right, guys? Okay, so let me do this problem. So we have this game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest, pointing out right so these chance problem. Okay, and we have what? So let me write it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total outcome is
8.
8, right? And now we have to find out for each cases what are the favorable outcomes. What is the probability that it will point at 8, right? So what is the favorable outcome? Yes. What is the favorable outcome? How many times if we are rotating it one time or if we are spinning it one time, so how many eights we can get?
One.
One, right? So we have only one favorable outcome. It can either point to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh,
7, 8. So we have only one chance, right, of getting an 8. So then what is the probability? This is 1 by, right?
okay.
Okay, now the second question, an odd number. So what are the odd numbers? This one,
1, 3, 5, 7.
right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So favorable outcome,
4.
right? Favorable outcome is 4. So probability of getting even is 4 by 8, which is, oh, this
Odd
is odd.
getting
Yeah, so odd one. So this is 2.
1 by 2.
Okay. And the third question. Okay, so the third question is what? A number greater than 2. Okay, a number greater than. So
3, 4, 5, 6,
1,
7, 8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right.
6.
So favorable outcome is 6. So P greater than 2 is 6 by 8. So how is this chapter, guys? Is this tough or is this easy?
Easy, sir, this chapter.
Yes.
Hmm, easy. Good, good. Okay, now what is the last one? A number less than 9. Right. So this is, oh, who
8.
is, who is someone has written in the chat box.
Less than 9 or 8,
Oh,
right? Because there's no
Amar.
9.
Yes, yes. I can't unmute. Okay, Amar, no worries, no worries. So at one point, this one was in the auto and he, so similar kind of situation can prevail. So no worries, Amar. Okay. Yeah. So, yes, Rizwan, you were saying 8, right?
Yeah, because all are less than 9.
Okay, good. So then less than 9 is 8 by 8. So what is this event, uh, Rizwan?
Uh, um, uh,
Okay.
I forgot
Yes, Hashid
that
and Shaima, help.
possible and
Certain
impossible
event.
outcome. Possible
Yes,
and impossible outcome.
Shaima said something. Yes, Shaima,
Certain event.
certain event, right? Certain or sure event. So this is a certain,
Oh,
right? So we have 100% chance that we'll get the number which would be less than 9. So okay, so these are the answers, right? You guys quickly note it down, and then then Rizwan will do the 13th question. This is Rizwan, then Shaima, Hashid, Amar cannot unmute, so let me take that. So Amar's turn. Let me take that. Okay, yeah, you guys quickly note it down. Then we'll do the 13th question. So let us finish this chapter today and start circle because when is your exam, Hashid?
Sir, on 26th September.
26th September. Oh, we have lots of time, right? Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we'll do is that we'll start circles and then, yeah, we'll see. So, I should not say this, but in my point of view, the triangles and this circle. So these are the difficult chapters.
chapters?
Hmm? Triangles and circles.
They are not
In
there.
they are not.
No, you said something, right?
Yeah, I'm saying that these are difficult ones.
Oh,
Oh, noted everybody.
no, sir.
Okay, so everybody noted. Then let us do the 13th one. Right. And yeah, uh, Rizwan,
Yes, sir.
find out about Tala. Where is Tala?
I
So
don't have his number.
we are tracking Tala, but he may be in his home, so he's not replying.
Mm,
So 13th question. Okay, so how many possible outcome do we have? We have thrown a dice and we have thrown it once. So how many possibilities are there? Rizwan?
in a dice.
Yeah, in a dice.
6.
Six, right? So one, two, three, four, five, six. So we have six outcomes. Yes. So we have total outcome which is six. Now find the probability of getting a prime number. So prime number. Okay. So how many numbers are prime numbers? How many prime numbers do we have in this scenario? Favorable outcome is one.
3.
We have only three prime numbers.
Mm, mm,
So what is prime number?
that 2, 3, 5. They are prime, right?
3, 5. Yeah, 2, 3, 5 are prime. What about 1?
One not prime.
1 is not a prime number. Yes, is 1 a prime number? What is the definition of prime number? A number which is divisible by itself and 1 only. Right.
Yeah, but one is only
So
one.
1 is divisible by 1 and 1 is divisible by itself. Right.
Yes.
Yes. So any doubt, guys? Hashis, am I correct? Okay. So we have how many prime numbers? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4. So probability of prime number is 4 by 6, which is 2 by. Right. So this is the first one. Now a number lying between 2 and 6. So how many favorable outcomes? Remember, yeah,
2, 3, 3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5, right? Whenever it is saying between, then we have to discard these, right? So between these are so greater than this is represented by greater than 2, right? Let's say x and less than 6. So we should write if there is no equal sign. So that is why we are not counting these two and by 6, which is 1 by. And what about the third one is 1? An odd number?
Odd number 1, 3, and 5.
1, 3, and 5, right? So again, 3. So again 3. So we have odd number, which is by 6, which is 1 by. Right. So these are the answers. Please note it down, and if you guys have any doubts, please ask.
So I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, which one?
So, in prime number, you wrote there 4.
Yeah,
1 is not a prime number.
1 is not a prime number.
Hmm.
So prime
Yeah,
number
it
is
only divisible by.
yes, it is divisible by.
It can only divide by number 1, right?
Yeah, and it is also divisible by itself. So answer is saying 3.
Yeah, no, it's
What is
it's 2, 3, and 4. I just now check in my notebook. So it says 2, 3, and 5.
So what is
Sorry,
the
when
answer?
in Google it says 1 is not a prime number.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, then maybe it is correct. If Google is saying, then who am I to, right? Because the definition is, so what is the definition of a prime number? Prime number is
Divide
it is
divisible by
divisible by
1 and
1
itself.
and itself. So both conditions are fulfilling, right?
I
Okay,
don't
then
know.
what is the answer in the NCRT? Is it 1 by 2? Yes,
Yeah, it's 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay, so then sorry guys, then it is sorry for the confusion. So I was sticking to the definition, right?
Yes.
Okay, my bad, my bad. So this is 1 by 2. So 1 is, so yeah, I got to know that 1 is not a prime. Not a prime. Okay, yeah. So every once in a while you learn, right? So you always learn.
Mm.
But why is it like that? Right? We should ask why. So I will check and tell you guys. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, please, everybody, please note it down and then tell. It's the meanwhile, let me. What is the? We have this method. Why? Yeah, whenever you have noted it, guys. So okay, so the yeah, noted everybody.
The last bit.
So I'm searching Quora and yeah.
Done.
Done. Okay. There is a very complex answer, but simple answer is that we need to have two positive integers to define prime number. And for the case of one, we have only one
One.
positive.
Because it's
So
one.
yeah, so this is the crux that why one. But there was a time when one was considered a prime number, right?
Mhm.
But yeah. Okay, so the 13th we did and the 14th. This is Shaima's question, right? Yes, Shaima, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so one card, so this is a card problem. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled card of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color. Right, so total outcome is 52. And then we have a king of red color. So what are the possible outcomes or what are the favorable outcomes? Shaima? Right. So how many king of red colors can we have?
Two.
Two, right? So we can have because we have one diamond and one heart. So we have two kings, right? One of diamonds and one of hearts. So we have two kings, right? But in total we have four kings, right? In total we have four kings. One is of diamond, then heart, then spades, and then club. But both the last two are black, and we only have two red ones. So the probability of red king, this would be what 2 by 50. So 1 by 20. Good. Everybody clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ashish is on. Okay, Amar, clear? Oh, Amar cannot unmute. Yeah. Oh, so a face card. Yes, Shaba. A face card. So how many face cards are there?
12.
12, right? So 3 into 4, right? 3 face cards in one set, and we have 4 sets. So 3 into 4, which is 12. Good. Then probability of face cards is 12 by 30. Huh? So we have, this is what, 6, this is 26, this is 3, this is 30. So 3 by 30. And the third question is a red face card. So how many red face cards do we have, Shaima?
6.
Right. So 3 diamonds and 3 hearts. So 6. Yes, everyone. Yes. So whatever. Red face. So 6 by 52, which is again 3 by 20. Okay. And then what do we have? And then the Jack of Hearts. So what is the favorable outcome? Let me write it directly. So Jack of Hearts. Yes. What would be the probability, Shaima?
1 by 52.
1 by 50. Right. Good. And then the fifth one. What is the fifth one? A spade. Okay. So what is the probability of a spade? Yes. How many?
13 by
Yes.
52.
13 by 52. Right. So we have 13 spades. So 13 by 52. And then the queen of diamonds. So the queen of diamonds. Probability of queen of diamonds. So how many? What is the probability?
1 by 52.
1 by 52. Good. So every answer was correct. Good. Yes. Any doubt in this question, guys? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. So please, you guys note it down. How many questions we did? Oh, 15. So let us do quickly the rest of the question. We have 15 minutes or so. So you guys quickly note it down. Yeah. Noted, everyone.
Then, sir.
Done, everyone? Noted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, Amar. Oh, unmuted. So can you take the questions now, Amar? Okay, so the next question, this is Harshit, this is for you, right? So we have 5 cards we have a 10, and we have a jack, and we have queen, and king, and what? And ace. Right. So these are the 5 cards and ace of diamonds. Okay, these are all of diamonds. And
Yes, sir.
and then they are well shuffled. One card is what is the probability that the card is the queen? Oh,
So 1 by 5.
1/5, right? So total outcome is 5. Yes, good. Total outcome is 5, and then probability of getting queen is 1/5. And then the second question is, if the queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card picked up is an ace?
1 by 4.
1/4, right? So queen is taken outside. So now we have total outcome. Total outcome is 4, right? And in that, what do we have? So this is removed, and probability of getting an A, right? Good one. So 1/4. And probability of getting a queen,
Impossible.
impossible, right? So 0/4, which is yes, Rizwan. What is this event?
Certain even.
So, so this is certain that you will get a queen.
Mm,
The probability is zero, right?
yeah, zero event.
So zero event, which means that we cannot get a queen with these set of cards, right? So this is an impossible
Oh, yeah, I was.
event. Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. So please, you guys quickly note it down, and then Amar, can you unmute yourself, or yeah? So let me take this 16th question. Let us quickly finish this, right? Quickly note it down, guys, and if you guys have doubts, please ask.
There's someone back.
Oh, yes. Oh, you will try to restart your. Yeah, yeah, I can see. I can see from the mirror. Yes, yes, this one. Okay, so yes, everyone noted.
Gone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So let us quickly do the 17th, right? 16th, right? So yeah, Amar is starting his laptop. So 12 defective pens. So we have 12 defective pens mixed with 132 good ones. So total outcome is how much? This is 132 plus 12. So 144, right? And then it is not possible to just look at and then recognize which one is defective. So one pen is taken out at random from the slot. Determine the probability of getting a good pen, right? So this is a good one. This would be how much? 132 by 140.
So who's 10?
Yes,
Who's 10?
which term? Which?
Now whose turn to do?
Yeah, this was Amar's turn, but he cannot unmute himself, so then
Okay.
then I took his turn. So this is yeah. Next will be your turn, right?
Mm,
Again, it is divisible by, right? So 11 by 12. Okay. Yeah, and you guys will have class assessment again today. So, did you guys take the yesterday's class assessment, Hashid and Shaima?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good, good. So today we'll also have the class assessment, and that will be again on probability. So please take that. Noted, everyone, this question.
Yes, sir.
Good. Rizwan and Ashif, noted.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yeah, the 17th one, right? So a lot of 20 bulbs. This is your question, Rizwan, right?
Mhm.
We have 9 minutes. Let us quickly finish this. A lot of 20 bulb contains 4 defective ones. So what is the total outcome?
24.
Uh, so a lot of
No, 20.
20, right? So
Yes.
in this 20, we have 4 defective
For
ones.
defective.
So defective are 4 and good one are 60, right? So now the question is that what is the probability that this bulb is defective, right? So
4 by 20.
4 by 20. So P of defective,
For 1 by 5.
1 by 5. Good. Now what is this complex question? So suppose the bulb drawn and is not defective and is not replaced, right?
Mhm.
So now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? So suppose the bulb is drawn, one bulb is drawn, right? And it is not defective. So we have taken out one good one.
Yes.
So defective now is
3.
4,
4.
huh? And
No,
good
it
one
says
is
suppose the ball is not defective.
Can you hear
right.
me?
Yes, Sama. Yes, we can hear.
Okay.
Yes, good. So yeah, and good one is 1 we have taken out. So 15.
15.
So total is now how much?
19.
19. And then what is the probability that this is bulb is not defective? Right. So what is the probability of good one? Yes, it is 1. This is your question.
Good one is 15.
Yes.
So 15 by 19.
Yeah. So this was the question, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shaima, Hashid, and Amar. Is this
Yes, sir.
okay? So yeah, please. Yes, Amar, do you have any question? Yes.
So can you
Yes.
explain the question one more time?
Yeah. So good. So you are asking. So we have a lot of 20 bulbs, right? And in this lot, 4 bulbs are defective ones. So 4 are defective and 16 are good ones, right? Right,
Yes.
Amar? And the first question was that what is the probability of defective one? So probability of favorable is 4 and total is 20. So 4 by 20. This part is clear, right?
Yes.
Now in the second part, they are saying that they have taken out one bulb. So in from this lot, they have taken out one bulb and it was not defective, which means that it was a good one, right? So from 16 you have taken out one, so then you have 15 good bulbs, right?
Yes.
So you have 15 good bulbs and 4 defective ones. So total outcome is how much? 15 plus 4, which is 19, right? And then they are asking that what is the probability of good bulbs. So this is favorable is 15 and total is 9. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so please note it down, and if it is not clear, then I can explain it again. Okay, Amar. So don't bother about how many times do I have to explain. Yes. So when will be able to access the immediately after the class? Yeah. So that will be immediately after the class. So at 7:30, which is what? Which is 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. KS, right? So exactly at 4. Whenever this class ends,
No,
so
5 o'clock.
oh, 5 o'clock. Sorry,
5
5.
ma'am, 5 o'clock.
Yeah, 5 o'clock. 5 p.m. Yeah. So 5 and plus 2.5 is there. Okay, noted, everybody.
Mm,
Noted, everyone.
yes, sir.
Okay, so now let us do the next question. Right. And today backup class will happen at what? 6:30, what? Which is 9 p.m. IST. Right. So okay, this is for the backup. Okay, let us quickly. So whose turn was it? So Rizwan did this question. Now this is Shy Master. Right. So we have a box contain 90 discs, which are number from 1 to 90. Right. So total outcome is how much, Shaima?
90.
90, right? And if one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears a two-digit number. So it bears a two-digit number. So how many two-digit numbers do we have between or from 0 or from 1 to 90? How many two-digit
81.
number? 81. So it starts from 10 and ends with 90, right? So 90 minus 10 is what? 80. But in this, we have not counted this 10. So we have this 80. Or we can also think it like this, that we have total 90 and 1 to 9. 1 to 9, we have one digit number, right? So then we have it. Right, so the favorable outcome for the first question, so two-digit number is 81. So probability, as Shaima said, this would be 81 by 90, which is 9 by 10, which is 0.9. Okay, Shaima, the next question is a perfect square number. Oh, so we have to count. We have to count. We have to count a perfect square number between 1 to 90. So how many do we have, Shaima? Is 1 a perfect square?
Yes.
Okay, 1, and then after 1, what do we have?
4.
4, and after 4,
9.
9, and then
16. 25.
25,
36. 49.
and then
64.
yes,
81.
81. Right? So we have these. How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 perfect squares. Right? So probability of perfect square This would be how much? 9 by 90, which is 1 by 10. Right. And yeah, what is a number divisible by 5? Okay, again, so first number is 5, and then 10, and then 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Oh, so 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, and 85. So how many are these numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 70. Right. So you guys check whether it is correct or not. So divisible by 5. This is what? Divisible by 5. Okay, so we have already crossed 1 minute. 17 by what? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so and yeah, 90 is also there, right?
Ah,
So
yes, 90 also.
so 18 by, so 2 by 10 or 1 by 5. Right, so please quickly note it down and okay, so again, 5 questions are left. So it will start with Hashid, right? This is
Yes, sir.
okay. Yeah, Hashid. So I guess you have a class to attend. So we'll stop at here, and you guys please log into the Learnivio account and please take that test. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay, guys. Yeah, and please note this down. So if you guys have any questions, so we'll discuss that in next. Okay. So Hashid, Shaima, Rizwan, and Ahmad. Allah Hafiz and bye, guys.
Bye.
And
This,
and yeah, please take that. So guys, please take that test. Okay.
should we stay in class?
Yes.
No, should we stay in
No, no,
class?
no, no. So you can, you guys can, right? The purpose is that you take that class assessment test. Okay.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Welcome, Salam Abir. Yes. How are you, Abir?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm also good. I'm yes. So Amira is also here, and let us wait for others to join. Right. And you have sent me one problem, Abir. What about the other ones?
Yes, sir. I was about to ask you about it. I was not able to find the answer.
Okay, no worries. So that is why. So what we can do here, right? What we can do here that we can discuss in the meanwhile they are joining. So let's wait for Amida's mic to work, right? Because her mic is not working. So let's wait for Amira for her mic to work, and then in the meanwhile let me open that. So so after trigonometry we will start probability, right? But let us first who joined. Tejasvi has that. Hello, Tejasvi. Hi.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Yeah. So, what about the homeworks, Tejasvi? You forgot? Okay. So, oh, yeah, you have just come from the vacation. So, 2 or 3 days you are forgiven, right? But start practicing those questions. Okay, Tejasvi.
Yes, sir.
Why Amira's mic is not working? Yes, Amira, please check your microphone. Okay, so what was the question? Oh, I have not. Yeah, and this question. So, did you guys do these question also? 9th and 10th one. These are important ones. So Okay, at one point I will talk about this one also. But today we have to just let us discuss the question, and the meanwhile the rest of the people will join. I Okay, so you guys are here, Tejasvi, Abhi, and Amira mic is working or not. So you guys tell me, one is a prime number or not?
One is neither prime nor composite.
So it is neither a prime and nor a composite. So what is the definition of prime number?
Prime numbers do not have factors.
Do not have factors, right? So does one have factors?
Only itself, one into one.
Yeah. So what about two?
Two also, only two and one.
So why one is not a prime? Tejasvi, this question for you also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are absolutely correct, Abhi. Right. So, what is the reason? Oh, I am looking for the question. Where did I put this question? Yeah. So today I got confused that why one is not a prime, right? Because the definition says that we have to have it is divisible by one and itself only, right? So this is the definition of the prime number, right? Yeah. Hello, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so it has to have two positive factors, but one has only one factor. That is why it is not a prime. But two has two factors, positive factor. One is two, and the other one is one. So that is why it is. That is why one is not a prime. Okay, so first, second, and okay, how many questions? Fourth one. Fourth one was. You did the third one. Which one you did? Okay.
The fourth one.
Fourth one. So fourth one is 1 by cos square theta minus of oh okay. So let us do all these four questions, right? Who has joined? So only you guys have joined. So we can discuss these questions, right? So that is why I just keep repeating this that you guys please send me those over. So in that way, we can understand that, right, out of the NCRT, can you guys solve the problems? So, okay, so we have a triangle and, right, PQR interior angle, then show that P plus